guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today we are in my room because I am going to do the Juno Microfiber Full Face Sponge Challenge. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's something like that. So I've talked about these before. These are from Juno & Co. and it is a sponge with little microfibers on it, so it's fuzzy. And you've probably seen other people using these. I have the old school style that has like this funky flat top, and then the newer one which comes to a point right here. And it has like a flat side right here. So anyway, I'm going to use both of these and I'm going to try to do a full face of makeup using only these sponges. I haven't practiced. I have no idea how this is gonna go. So let's just go ahead and get started, shall we? Let me zoom you in a bit. Okay, so I am going to be using my Fenty foundation. I have the shade 230, okay. And I have my Beauty Blender foundation. This is just a little bit too light for me, but I really love using this for, you know, putting my foundation on it. Okay, so I'm gonna use the big one and just apply my foundation. Oh, I forgot to prime, whatever. With this sponge, I really like to do kind of like a smush and wipe thing because it has those microfibers, so it works really well that way. I do love this sponge and it's super cheap. I forget how much it is. It's like $4, $6. It's under 10. Okay, I'm all foundationed up. I'm gonna throw on some concealer. I'm gonna use my Shape Tape in light neutral. I don't know if this is cheating using the wand, but you know, how else do you put this on, right? I'm gonna blend it out with the sponge. It's gonna get tricky when we start doing the eyeshadow. One of the best things about this sponge is that you can use it wet or dry. And so a lot of times when I'm sitting here and I'm doing my makeup and I'm like, oh poop, I forgot to wet my Beauty Blender, I reach for this one and just use it dry, and it works just as well because I feel like my Beauty Blender does not work well dry. I mean, you're not supposed to use it dry, right? Whoa. Ugh, I feel like the skin around my eyes is so dry right now. That's not cute. It's been so dry lately. I hate this time of year when it gets all dry and miserable. Okay, concealer blended out. Excellent, excellent. All right. Shall we contour? Do a little bronzy bronze? Let's try it, shall we? I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer because this one is a lighter color and I'm afraid to use what I normally use. Oh, I feel like that might be too much. We'll see. And I'm not trying to do a sharp line. I basically just want a little bit of color. Hey, that's working out nicely, right? That's not so bad. Is it just me or does that actually look really good? I'm impressed, I'm impressed. It's gotta be those microfibers. I'm gonna use the Balm Blush in Balm Springs, this darker pinky looking one, and I'm gonna use the same part of my sponge. And we'll see how this goes. Not so bad, not so bad. Yeah, I thought this would be harder to blend out. Like I would just end up with splotchy cheeks. I don't know why, because my foundation blends out really nicely. But you gotta figure with powder products, you know, it might be a little more difficult. Watch, I'm gonna go back through the footage and be like, oh no, that looks terrible. Now for the eyeshadow. Okay, so I am going to use this palette. This is the Downtown palette from Iconic Beauty Los Angeles. Juno & Co. did send this to me. Look at this fun palette. I have used it a couple of times and I haven't used all of the colors. And this glitter right here, I'm having the hardest time with. It's just messy and doesn't go on well, so I'm not gonna use that. But I will use some of these other colors. Okay, so I'm switching to my pointy sponge, and I'm gonna go in with this cream color right here, which is the Broad. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid as a base to help blend. I wet the sponge and I should have left it dry. I mean, I don't know, maybe it'll work just fine wet. Okay, so far so good. Not that we've gotten very far. Okay, I am going to go into Last Bookstore, this one right here. It's kind of a taupey color with the very tip. And I'm gonna try to go into my crease. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna be running into some trouble here. You guys, this is not so bad. Those microfibers, I'm telling you, they make a huge difference because they are fuzzy, you know, like a brush kind of. I wonder if I tried to use like a beauty blender, how this would work. It might work, I don't know. Okay, this eye does not seem to be blending quite as well. Is it just me or does that not look terrible? This eye looks a little bit darker, but you know, that's okay. Let's see. Oh, geez. Let's go in with this matte color right here. This is Alvera in this lovely purpley shade. Oh boy, that's intense. Okay, alright, we're just gonna go with that. Hey, not so bad. Okay, I feel like it got a little out of control on this side, but it's okay. Alright, well, you know, it's not perfect, but whatever. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into Arts District, which is a shimmery darker purple. Do you see Ginger up there? What are you doing, silly girl? Guys, this really isn't that bad. I bet with some practice, I could get really good at this. Just blending out with this sponge. I'm gonna take this under a little bit too. Well, it's not the best blending job I've ever done, but it's not the worst. Okay, and now I'm gonna go into this sparkly one, Angel, and I'm gonna put that one like right in the middle. There we go. Yeah. Normally I think I would probably just use my finger for this, but it's not the finger challenge, it's the sponge challenge. Hey, that's pretty. I like that. Let me go back with this sponge. Oh, that is now covered in cat hair. Ginger. Okay, and I'm gonna use the corner of it because this corner is all purple. And I'm going to go into Jewelry District, which is this shimmery color right here. It's like a shimmery champagne. And oh, that's darker than I thought it was. Hang on. Maybe not. Let's see. Okay. It looks really dark on my sponge. See what I mean? That looks really dark. Okay, and I'm gonna put that on in the corner. Oh yeah, not so bad. Okay, I can live with that. Hey, not too shabby. I'm gonna take a little bit of that up here too. You can't even really see it, that's okay. All right, now what? Oh, what the heck am I gonna do for eyeliner? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. Usually I just use like a tinted brow gel, but since I have it, I'm going to use this. It's chocolate gel eyeliner, but I like to use this for my brows. See, it's a good brow color. This is so thick, I'm having a really hard time getting it out of here. Okay, and I think I just got it all over the sponge, so let's see if I can do this without looking like Groucho Marx. I can't tell if it's actually coming off or not. Okay, all right, you can kind of see that. I'm like trying to pinch the edge of this sponge so tiny. I'm getting a hand cramp. Oh my gosh, whew. Okay, all right. One eyebrow down. Can you tell the difference at all? It's subtle, but it's there, it's there. This is so difficult to do with a sponge, and I feel like it's not just the sponge's fault, it's the product. It's too stiff. Let me see if I can find like more of a shadow. Oh yeah, you know what I'm gonna use? My Convertible Brow Powder. I'm gonna end up with like the craziest brows. Okay, so this is from theBrowGal. I love theBrowGal. Okay, so we have some brow powder in here. I like the medium kind of ashy tone. It looks like it's not dark enough, but it's enough. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I just covered this whole sponge. That was a mistake. Okay, let's see. Ugh, why didn't I start with this? I don't know why I thought the pomade was gonna be a better plan. Whatever. I just need like to fill in a little bit because I feel like my eyebrows have gotten sparser over the years. I'm getting old, people. Okay, I'm a little eyebrowy. I also don't have any eyeliner or anything on. I'm still undecided as to how I'm allowed to do my eyeliner. I'll use a sponge tip applicator. This one is from, what is this? Ciate, London. I'm totally cheating here, I know, I apologize. But I also rarely use sponge tip applicators anymore because I find them to be not as good as other eyeliner techniques. See how patchy that is? I like pencils and I like gel liners, the occasional liquid liner. Although I tend to just not be very good at liquid liner. Gel is much easier for me. Well, that's not very clean. That looks terrible. I'm gonna throw some mascara on now. I'm gonna use my new Maneater Mascara that I just got in my, what was that? My Ipsy Plus, Glam Bag Plus. Did you guys see that video? I've been using this for the last couple of days and I like it. I don't know that it's my favorite mascara, but it's not bad. Okay, mascara on, you guys. That's not so bad. And now for some highlighter. I'm gonna use the Morphe highlighter that I also just got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, whatever it's called. Okay, I'm gonna use this side of this sponge. Whoa. Okay, all right, let's see. Maybe? I can't even see it on this side. Oh, I have that little smudge right there. Oh, hey, look at that. You guys, I'm actually really loving this sponge for doing my full face of makeup. Who knew? I need lipstick though. Oh, do you know what I can do for lipstick? I have a genius idea. I have this old, do you guys remember this one? This was several years ago, Max Holiday stuff. It was all this. I have this little palette here and it has a couple of lipstick shades. I'm gonna use these. Oh, we'll just go with the purple one, right? Go and keeping with my purple theme here. Oh, this could get funny. Oh yeah. Hey. You know that detailed tip on there is my new best friend. Okay, I desperately need a lip liner. Honestly, I think if I just added a lip pencil, this would be fine. This sponge has seen better days. Do you see all those little cracks in there? Getting a little sloppy, but not too bad. I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade of pink lipstick right here and see if I can do a little contouring. You put a lighter shade right in the middle and it makes your lips look just a little more pouty. Works especially well with liquid lipstick because it's such a matte, flat thing, and then you add that little bit of dimension and it makes your lips look super pouty. You guys, I am not mad at this. The whole thing with these two little sponges. These sponges are so cool with that fuzzy thing going on. I'm telling you, multi-use. Who knew? Now I know I can use it for all sorts of things. I'm gonna start using these sponges more often. You know, because usually I just use them for like foundation or concealer, but you can use them for all sorts of things. Funsies. What do you guys think? Okay, I kind of cheated with the eyeliner, but I don't know how else I would do it. So, and I used a sponge tip applicator that I'm not a fan of. Gotta tell ya. Okay, well this was fun. If you guys end up doing this challenge, definitely let me know because I would love to see other people doing this with these fun, fuzzy sponges from Juno and Co. So definitely let me know. Let me know what you guys thought of this. Have you seen other people's videos? Tell me how did they do. I feel like I did a pretty good job. You know, not to toot my own horn, blow my own whistle. What the heck is it? Are both of those valid sayings? Anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Juno for sending me this fabulous eyeshadow palette. I really do love it. All except for that one orangey glitter color. That one just... All right, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!